Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Introducing China's new Vidu AI. In this video, we explore the new Vidu AI Q1 model, highlighting its impressive 1080p video generation and features like text to video, image to video, and AI sound effects. We compare it to all their models, show creative examples, and review the latest templates and sound tools that make Q1 AI stand out in AI video generation. So, as I dove into Vidu Q1, one of the first things I noticed was the enhanced video quality. The visuals are sharper and clearer, making everything look stunningly good. The intuitive interface guides users through various options, making it accessible for beginners while still powerful enough for seasoned creators. One of the most exciting features of Vidu Q1 is the text to video capability. So, first, go to vidu.com. So from the home screen, just click the sign in button and you can continue using your Google or email account. First, they have text to video. To generate a video from a text prompt, go to the text to video menu and select Vidu Q1 from the model list. Then type your text prompt in the prompt bar. The best way to structure a prompt is like this: start with the subject or scene, add a description of what's happening, include details about the environment, and finish with the artistic style or medium. Next, select the style, general or animation, then choose the video duration, resolution, movement amplitude, aspect ratio, and the number of generations. Next, click the generate button to start creating your AI video. So this is the example number one. So the prompt is: a blonde woman is talking to a man, her eyes filled with tears as she becomes visibly emotional and cries. Her voice trembles as she speaks. The man stands in the foreground, slightly out of focus, with his back facing the camera. The scene is set during the evening, illuminated by soft, warm lighting that casts long shadows. Dressed casually, the woman's expression is full of sorrow and urgency. The background features a quiet street or park bench, accompanied by subtle ambient noises like rustling leaves and distant traffic. And this is the result. So, as you see, the woman is clearly emotional. There's a man standing in the foreground, and which is slightly focused. So, there's also a car passing by, and that's great. So we have next our example number two. So the prompt is: a front-facing tracking shot of a joyful baby crawling toward the camera across a frozen river or icy surface. The baby is bundled up in a cozy winter clothes, smiling brightly. Behind the baby, majestic ice mountains rise beneath a stunning aurora borealis dancing across the night sky. And this is the result that we got. Amazing. So we got the aurora borealis at the back of the baby. We have the mountains, and the baby is crawling towards the camera, which we asked for. So that's amazing. The quality is superb. Next, we have example number three. The prompt is: a blonde woman wearing a flowing white dress is gracefully sitting on a wooden boat, sailing across a glowing river of hot lava. So thick smoke rises around her, and the lava bubbles intensely like the boiling water. The scene is hyper realistic with dramatic light reflecting orange and red from the lava onto her face and dress. So steam and heat distort the air, creating a tense and cinematic atmosphere. And this is the result. Look at that. We got what we asked for. So the woman is wearing a flowing white dress and is sitting in a wooden boat, which is across the river of hot lava. The smoke, you can see the smoke rises around her, and you can see the lava is boiling like water. So impressive. In addition to text to video, Vidu Q1 offers an impressive image to video feature. To generate a video from a photo, I went to the image to video menu, and I could upload one image for the start frame or two images for a start and end frame. So after adjusting the necessary settings, I was able to create dynamic videos that seamlessly transitioned from one image to another. The results were visually captivating, showcasing how Vidu Q1 can transform static images into engaging video content. Next, I wanted to test how well Vidu Q1 handles various videography techniques. I started with the pedestal shot, which moves the camera straight up or down. By following the prompting guide, I crafted a prompt that described the subject and included details about the environment and visual style. The resulting video was impressive, showcasing the technique beautifully. I also experimented with tilt shots, dolly shots, and arc shots. So here are the generated videos. Next, Vidu Q1 doesn't stop at videography. It also allows for the application of special effects. Using a single image, I navigated to the templates menu, selected a template I liked, and uploaded my photo. The results were striking, demonstrating the potential for creativity without needing extensive editing skills. So while Q1 model lacks the reference to video feature found in Vidu 2.0, I was still impressed by the quality of character generation in previous versions. The ability to upload multiple reference images to create consistent characters for my videos is a game changer for filmmakers and advertisers alike. So this Vidu Q1 combines realism with advanced features, making it an excellent choice for creators at any skill level. Whether you're looking to produce stunning videos for personal projects or professional use, Vidu Q1 provides a robust platform to bring your creative visions to life. So what do you think of this China's new AI model? Comment your thoughts below. Thank you for watching. Introducing VidCo. Untap your creativity with the best video AIs. Instantly create stunning videos, B-rolls, shorts, intros, and more, powered by world-class AIs. Get access to top-end and exclusive video AIs like Minimax Video O1, Pyramid Flow, Kling AI, Luma Dream Machine, Hyper 2.5, One Video, Gen 3, VO2, etc. Dual function models included text to video and image to video. Create videos in any style or genre with text to video AIs. Turn any image into a motion video with the top image to video AIs. Any genre, any visual style, VidCo can create any video you want, including live action, hyper-realistic, photorealistic, 3D animation, cartoon, motion graphics, slow motion, pixel worlds, 2.5D visual, etc. VidCo is powerful and easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Get VidCo now. Just go to getvidco.in.